Day 24 of asking strangers if I could tour their house, and may nahanapan ulit tayong mabibiktima ngayon, my dudes, si Sir RJ.
What's up?
Now, we have the man, the myth, the legend himself na siya mismo magtutour sa atin para medyo mas maganda yung mga detalye and everything ma-discuss niya. So,
our house is a 4-bedroom house. Tapos we have a wide parking here, 2.5 garage.
So sa facade, unang napansin ko, my dudes, ay itong ginamit nilang pintura.
Ano siya, cement finish siya. So it gives that matte na finish, and then kinontrast ko siya with the ferns. Lumitaw yung ferns kapag meron yung cement finish.
Ang ganda ng combo ng cement finish. And yung napansin ko dito sa cement finish, tulad ng sabi mo, matte siya. So, yun yung paborito kong drink eh. Matcha, hindi. So, yeah, matte siya. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya ganun ka-glossy, my dudes. And with that being said, my dudes, let us proceed in the inside, which is actually my favorite part.
Okay, so first of all, ito yung pedestrian gate natin. And then, we have an intercom. So you can talk to the man upstairs kung pwede kong papasukin. And then, ito, may susi naman. Pwede mo naman susian to. Pero, we installed a smart lock para kapag wala ka dito, you can just use your phone to unlock it. So, ito yung matagal ko nang inaasam-asam na parang feature. Ayan, so nagbukas na siya.
Oh!
Another advantage pag kailangan mo to is pag may Shopee delivery.
Ayun
diba? Kapag wala ka sa bahay, tapos wala yung, diba, kung may kasambahay kayo or wala, pero walang magbubukas ng gate, you can open this, tapos isasara lang nila ulit, tapos ilak mo lang ulit.
So
hindi
convenient.
Na hassle.
Kaya yung akin, pinapahitcha ko na lang dun sa over the back ko din. Kuya, i-Gcash ko na lang, tapos tapon mo.
Pero pag may mabasag, di ba? Sayang naman.
So yun din pala yung advantage ng automated na yung kanilang gate through an app. So pwede siyang control remotely. Alright! Nandito na tayo sa kanilang garahe, my dudes. And may sinasabi si Sir RJ kanina about the elevation differences.
Yeah. So, ito, naging advantage siya kasi mas mataas tayo. So, pag nakatayo ka dyan, kita mo lahat ng sasakyan mo, lahat ng tools mo, ganyan. Oo. So, okay siya na mas elevated siya than the parking itself.
Ang problem kasi sa garage, di ba? Pag nakapark na yung kotse, hindi mo nakita yung labas.
Oh, correct.
Pero dahil naka-elevate to ng at least 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, kita natin. So kahit may kotse tayo dito na matangkad, let's say naka-Land Cruiser ka, kita mo yung labas. Hindi hindered yung view. Again, good design, my dudes. Good designs. It just feels right. Going up dun sa hallway na kinatatagan ko kanina, my dudes. Makita natin meron silang 2 kwarto dito.
Yeah. So this is intentionally for an office sana. Actually, very nice space for a kwarto. Lalo na if you have an elderly or you have visitors, pwede siyang guest room. Tapos may abang ako doon for a small kitchen.
Nice!
So just in case, pwede magdagdag ng kitchen pa ulit dito. Yeah, so we have a maid's room. Tapos yung maid's room na to, hindi naman siya yung sobrang liit. Hindi naman nakakahiya kay ate.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah, actually, like this maid's room, one thing na na-appreciate ko dito, my dudes, nilagyan pa nila ng shadow gap. Maid's room, yan, my dudes. Tingnan nyo yung ceiling. That is called the shadow gap. So, imbis na maglalagay tayo ng cornice, shadow gap na yung modern equivalent nun. Now, beside this maid's room, I believe, kung tamang hula ko, this is probably common.
Yes, this is a common toilet and bath.
Oh.
Tapos kahit na dito lang siya sa baba, we made it a really nice one.
Grabe, nilagyan pa nila talaga ng accent. May pa-accent tiles pa sila dun, no?
Yeah.
Wow, tapos may cove lighting pa yung toilet and bathroom dito, which, you know, I understand kasi sometimes yung guests nyo, dito nyo rin sila pagagamitin, and usually pag ako yung guest sa bahay, doon ko gina-judge yung mga nakatira sa bahay based dun sa toilet and bathroom nila. Okay, so packet na tayo dun sa kanilang main level, and one thing napansin ko pala dito, Sir RJ, ay yung low level lighting mo.
Pag gabi, we need light. So doon ko judge actually yung lighting mo. Pag sa gabi, ang ganda. So these are floor recessed lights. Tapos you have to choose a fixture na at least IP something.
IP
67.
Yung cellphone 67 eh. So,
yun.
lagay ko na lang sa screen. Ayan, my dudes.
Ayan, dapat IP 67.
IP something, yan.
IP something above.
That's what you look for, IP, which stands for IWAS putulo sa loob ng ilaw. Yeah, so hindi ko pala i-invite si Sir RJ sa bahay ko kasi i-judge niya yung bahay based sa ilaw. Hindi ko ginalingan yung ilaw ng bahay namin. Pero yeah, yun yung una ko napansin eh. So they made a good choice by adding these lights.
Tsaka just to add, this is motion censored. So pagkapasok mo, iilaw yan. That's our motion sensor right there. Yung white na yan. Oh, yan.
Nice.
So pag may gagalaw, yun mag-on siya.
Matanong ko lang, naniniwala ka sa mga pamahiin?
Hindi masyado eh.
Kasi napansin ko yung main entrance nila, perpendicular siya dun sa pintuan, which usually yun yung kino-comment, yung hagdanan, nakatapat sa main entrance. Yeah, sabi nila malas daw yun. Pero me personally, hindi naman ako naniniwala dun.
Nagkataon lang siguro, pero ang idea kasi namin dito is parang may lanay ulit. So itong space na to, as you know, we have a garden here. So para medyo nice, kapag nag-aantay ka, may titingnan kang maliit na garden.
Alright, wow!
So yung initial design talaga nito is to accommodate friends. Kaya nandito yung dining and cooking area namin towards the view. So you can serve the guests there.
Oh, that's nice.
That's the idea. So this is the dining area. Tapos may nakaabang na tayo na light. Tapos yun. So yung idea nga nito is I can open this. Tapos pwede ko nang ma-extend itong dining space ko. Yan siya. So extendable. Diba?
Nice.
Extendable.
Wow. Also, may dudes kung napapansin nyo ako na nagmo-moonwalk, yun ay pag tumalikod ako sa camera na to, lilipat siya sa mas pogi eh. So kailangan lagi ako nakaharap dito sa camera na to. Okay, so ito yung maganda nilang kitchen.
Okay.
Pa-explain ko muna kay Sir RJ, tapos saka ko siya babatuhin ng mga super hard-hitting questions.
Okay.
Sige.
Okay. Alam mo, ako personal kasi parang, syempre, gusto ko ay, RJ, nagluluto ka pala. Ganon. Yun yun, na-imagine ko dito na parang, ang galing pala magluto ng omelette ni RJ. so parang yun yung So, yan. Pwede tayo magluto talaga dito. Ito yung parang main kitchen natin. Okay.
Anong specialty dish mo?
To be honest, omelette. Kasi
Omelette? Parehas tayo. Ako, omelette tsaka noodles.
noodles. Okay. So we have the kitchen here. And then, wala tayong LPG dito. Which means it's safe.
So may piping ka tas nasa labas?
Yes, correct.
Nice.
Tapos mapansin mo rin, sensorized rin yung ating mga floor lights. Yan. Since di tayo gumagalaw.
Oo nga, no?
And then,
yun, no?
Yun.
Did you notice that, my dudes?
Parang magic siya.
So para siyang yung T-Rex dun sa Jurassic Park. Pag di ka gumalaw, hindi ka niya makikita.
Ganun.
And may napansin ako dito. Just in case nasunog to.
Tama.
Pot filler siya, my dudes. For your sinigangs and your, sabaws.
Yes. Para hindi alam mo, minsan sumasakit na rin yung likod ko. So, parang kapag bubuhatin mo pa, para sa, di ba, pag deglazing, ganyan, eto na lang siya.
No, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what deglazing is. Kaya tumatawa na lang ako. Okay. Yes, cooking terms.
Okay. What we have here is we have a heated faucet.
Oh, wow.
Para pag may mantika, 'di ba? Yun yung nakakainis eh. Gumawa kang bulgogi.
Oh.
'Di ba? Matindi yun sa mantika. Lahat ng kitchen natin, meron na siyang accessories.
Nice.
So ito pa, we have to thank rin our supplier for cabinets dahil sobrang tiniis nila kami. So we have yung mga ganitong accessories para kapag naghuhugas ka ng pinggan. Ayan. So kung itatry mo, 'di ba? Hugas pinggan, tapos boom, 'di ba? Boom. Ganun. So dali lang.
Nice.
Even the corners, no? Kung makikita niyo yung corner.
Meron silang magic corner yung tawag ko dito.
A magic corner pala yan. Okay. So, para hindi sayang yung space dun sa may dead space doon.
Yeah.
Wala namang
Wala sa mga old houses, parang ipapaubayan nyo na sa ipis yung dead space na yun. Sa kanila na yun.
Tirahan nyo na.
Pero dito, thank God for the invention of magic corner.
Lahat may accessory, pati yung para sa basurahan.
Oh, wow!
Even yung mga yan. Meron tayong mga spice rack. Ganyan. Tapos even ito, merong mga lagayan ng spoon.
May inserts pa sila.
Then we have a
the Harry Potter bedroom.
Yeah, Harry Potter bedroom. We opted do a pantry kasi yung, di ba usually, yung iba gumagawa ng bathroom sa ganito.
For that to be a viable toilet and bathroom or half bath, kailan magsi-step down ka pa eh. Para hindi mauntog yung tao dito.
Makes sense. Oo.
So, yeah, mas okay nga na pantry na lang siya.
So, ganun ka kasi dun eh.
Oo. Kung nakaupo ka, nakaganyan ka para hindi ka natamaan. so, yeah,
human
pantry.
Tetris.
Human Tetris, I like that. Okay, so, let us move on. Babalik tayo dito sa kanilang outdoor space which unang napansin ko itong kanilang pintuan. Kung kaya nyo itulak yung sliding door ng one finger, maganda yung pagkakagawa niya. Dalawa na yung tinutulak ko with just one finger. That's so nice.
Buti pumasa.
Oo nga. Muntik na konti yun pumasa. At the end of the video, uwi na ako. And with that thought, hit the like button.
So makikita mo gaano kaluwang yung space talaga natin. Kaya sinasabi ko na parang pwede mo talaga siyang i-expand into some more tables, di ba? And as you can see, I really made this into a Baguio-worthy na balcony. Hey Google, turn off all lights.
Turning off 11 switches. Sorry, it looks like 4 switches aren't available right now.
Okay, so baka hindi niya ma-access. But you need internet, you need Wi-Fi.
Diba, likakat na lang natin.
Okay, sige.
Yun, so let us move on dito.
Yeah, so we have a guest room over here. Dinesign to for the elderly or kung meron kayong guest na syempre hindi makaano ng stairs. Para he has or she has access sa kitchen tsaka dun sa CR. So we're now sa toilet and bath na common dito sa area na to. Ayun, as you can see, maganda rin yung size niya, hindi naman siya masyado masikip. Labas tayo and then let's look at this door palabas dito sa ating parang dirty kitchen. So here, we can do our laundry, tapos pwedeng dirty kitchen siya. This is yung abang para dun sa LPG. Dito siya, para at least hindi siya nasa loob ng bahay.
Ito, my dudes I actually like this. So, meron tayong setback dito, which is really nice. Yeah. And mababalikan natin yung magandang balkonahe sa harap. So, it's such a luxury sa Baguio.
Yes.
Meron kang setback.
Sa mga mahilig mag-ihaw. So, ito yun mahilig ako mag-ihaw. So, this is a place na at least diretso ka, hindi ka mausukan. Yung problema na mag-ihaw ka. Walang space for it Let's go upstairs.
Let's go. Underlighting on the stairs, very, very nice. Lalo na kung ganito, my dudes, na isa lang yung kulay ng steps nyo. Pwede kayong malimang kasi dyan na may mamiss kayong isang step, gumulang ka, you're instantly teleported sa first floor with injuries. Pero by adding yung underlighting, kita nyo na yung kanto ng steps. Pag nahulog ka pa dyan, ewan ko na lang. Kasalanan mo na yun. Okay, so let us discuss this very, very wonderful skylight over here, my dudes. Ang ganda,
With this skylight, ang ganda niya kasi, as you know, this area actually mafog. So you get like 4 hours of sunlight. Ganun lang, on a nice day.
Yun, so kung meron mang nanonood na vampire dyan, this might be your place to be kasi 4 hours lang yung araw.
San Luis.
Tapan nyo na lang itong may skylight. That's actually nice. I love houses with skylights, my dudes. Natural light cannot beat it.
This is our common area. And then this is where the TV is supposed to be rin ulit. This is our intercom. Ito naman, you can also access this via an app. So, hindi lang naman dito.
Pag may taho, layo ng tatakbuhin ko. Taho! That's so nice, my dudes.
And then, we have our toilet na common for these 2 rooms. So, it's very similar to that toilet sa baba.
Wait lang, sir. Ang ganda ng pintuan niyo dito. So, I like this. Invisible yung kanyang nakalimutan ko yung tawag dito It's like a...
Ghost door tawag.
Ghost door. Yun.
Ghost door.
It's something cool.
Yeah.
Ghost door.
Ghost door. So, ang maganda sa ghost door is nasa likod yung railings niya. Hindi mo makikita from here.
That's why it's called ghost, probably. Or ghost yung naka-invento nito. We don't know. So, ang ganda my dudes. So, talagang malinis siya tignan. Barn door, mayroon kang parang bakal-bakal dun sa taas. Industrial. Na-intrigue ako dun sa kanyang ghost door. So nice.
So we have ganun din, same design ng tiles. Tapos dito sa ating toilet dito, sa side na to, meron siyang bintana.
So dito na tayo, Sir RJ. What is this? Let me guess. It's a bedroom.
Yeah, it's a bedroom.
Yeah, I'm correct. Yeah, actually, di ba napuntahan ko na dati, my dudes.
So we have a bedroom dito. Tapos yun, may sarili siyang balcony para at least hindi naman siya feeling parang claustrophobic. And then we have our bedroom pa dito. Yan. And then this bedroom has an access dun sa balcony na rin dito, sa side na to.
Dito ilalagay yung paboritong anak. Yung anak dun, wala kang access.
Yan. So, if you go here, we have a view rin yung mga pumapasok. You can pass here actually.
Sige.
Yeah.
Let's take the road less traveled.
Okay, so nakalock siya. I'm
I
sorry.
guess not. Let's take the road
Nakalock.
commonly traveled na lang. My telekinetic power says it's the master bedroom. Okay.
So, yung master bedroom natin, we have a lock, smart lock. Okay, so remember, master bedroom, lagi andyan yung mga importanteng bagay, di ba? Andyan yung mga alahas mo, ganyan. So we have door lock, smart, so fingerprint and code.
Ooh.
When you come over here, we have the master bedroom mismo. Ito talaga yung bed niya. So this is a king-size bed. And then from here, as you can see, we have a full view of the subdivision, and syempre may mga pine trees pa tayo dyan. Curtains natin are smart. Yan. Kapag puyat ka sa gabi, at least ito black outline. Ano siya, curtain siya.
That is so nice.
From here, we have our cabinetries.
Ayun, natututo na si Sir RJ, nag-moonwalk na rin siya. Kasi kailangan lagi ka nakalap sa camera eh. Okay, so this is the walk-in closet. It's so spacious, my dudes.
Laki na to. We have accessories as well. Ito yung para sa mga
The
pantalon.
pants hanger.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Oo. And then kapag talaga ang dami mong t-shirt, yan, meron ka pa rin ditong storage.
The pull-down rack. is so
Pull-down
nice.
rack.
And actually, like na hindi lahat nito nilagyan nila ng pintuan. Meron lang silang sliding. Kasi pag yung walk-in nyo, my dudes, kayo lang naman nakakakita. Kahit ano lang, hindi nyo nalagyan ng takip mo. Hassle lang yun. Tapos pag binuksan mo, may nakaharang na sa walking area nyo.
Yeah,
So this is actually smart na hindi nila nilagyan ng doors itong kanilang walk-in.
Yeah.
Maluwang. So pwedeng mayroon si Mrs. doon. And then
so
kay Mrs.
workout.
ulit.
Actually.
Doon na si Mr. sa dining area.
Dining area ka na mag-work. At least may pagkain dun. So ito, we have a balcony on this side. And mas happy ako sa ganitong balcony. Ayun, balcony na, ganun lang.
Pero ito talaga functional balcony. At least
Functional.
1.2 meters or more, pwede ka na maglagay ng furniture. Hindi ka na mahirapan gumalaw.
Okay, so we have some more storage dito. So talagang hindi kayo maubusan ng storage. And ito yung pinaghirapan namin part ng house.
Okay.
Ito yung ating master toilet and bath. So we have a skyline and then we have a bathtub. So can you imagine sa bathtub ka tapos?
Lalo na pag rainy.
Oh yeah. So kapag pwede nyo naman tong isara. So hilain lang to.
Nagbago yung mood and
Nagbago yung mood.
May lighting pala doon. Ngayon ko lang napansin, that is such a good touch. Nilagyan pa nila ng ilaw. Mas gumanda yung halaman.
So pag gabi, yun yung magiging effect niya. And then sa likod mo, we have a his and hers mirror. Tapos kanya-kanyang station rin. And then over here, we have our toilet area. And then our shower, it's a galing rainfall na tawag. Rainfall shower. So maganda dito, if dito yung handle, pwede mong i-test muna yung water. Diba sa Baguio, sobrang lamig?
Oo.
Sobrang lamig or sobrang init. So with this, itetest ko muna kung mainit or malamig before ako pumasok.
That is good design, my dudes. And I believe we are heading to the roof deck.
Yes, meron tayong roof deck dito kasi gusto ko may sampayan.
Ayun eh.
Gusto ko may sampayan talaga.
Yes, iba kasi yung amoy nung damit na dryer lang as compared sa naarawan.
Oo. Okay, so ito yung stairs natin.
So this is the roof deck. Pwede kayong mag-hold ng breakdance battle dito.
Oo nga, no?
Maluwang, my dudes. And the water tanks, of course, Baguio City to.
Yeah.
That's a must.
At least from here, medyo may vantage point ka rin, no, the rest of the subdivision.
Ang ganda ng view, my dudes. Ang dami pang pine trees dito sa area na ito. Yan, no? So, if I am going to rate this house, I'll give it a 50/12. It exceeded my expectations and napakabait din ng may-ari. My dude. So, let us thank Sir RJ down in the comments below. And again, if you guys are interested, links in the description. Also, shout out kay Sir Carl. Yon ang ating video mans. Hanggang sa susunod natin na house tour, baka may iba pang bahay si Sir RJ.
Alright,
Peace.
See you soon. Bye.